was a great day for a stroll here in Korea. Sunny sky and cool breeze.
That's right, and but the breeze is expected to turn into something much stronger later on. For the latest weather updates, let's turn to our Michelle Park, as we like to do, at the Weather Centre. Michelle, what's the latest?
Good evening, guys. The wind is getting stronger, like you said, and by tomorrow afternoon, the East Coast will see wind speed of up to 26 meters per second. Now, since the whole country is under dry weather alerts, please be extra careful with any sources of fire. And a high-pressure front will maintain our skies clear and raise our daily highs a few more notches tomorrow, whereas in Beijing, it's expected to be hotter than usual due to the southwesterly wind flowing in. Now, the commute on Thursday morning will be more comfortable temperature-wise, so we're waking up to 4 degrees Celsius, while southern regions such as Busan and Jeju wake up to 7 degrees. But the mercury will jump to beyond seasonal average readings, as Seoul topping out to 16 degrees, Daegu at 20, while Gwangju hit 17 degrees. Temperatures will stay warm from now on, but we can expect a slight drop after some precipitation over on Sunday. I'll leave you with the weather conditions around the world.